So this song is called The Voices, and it's all about chasing away any negative thoughts that we might have, or bad thoughts, or intrusive thoughts, or thoughts that tell you, you know, imposter syndrome, or the ones that say, go in Dobbies, because that's probably safer than finding some charity shops in Reading, because it's not. Telling you that now. Okay, this is The Voices. There's a small voice in every one of us that talks on our behalf and shouts out all our faults. It's a long life to listen to the lines they write, and they're wrong. We can all be strong when they expect us to be straight. We won't bite at all their bait. We can find use in all of the mistakes they make. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream and tear it down, shout what's this all about. We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide, we live the lie. Yeah, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your lives. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. It's an unkind world with lost within, where the walls are closing in and the chances disappear. In this wonderful world, we'll never know just why we're here. Hold on to every part of you, for the demons in the dark, hope they gaze within your heart. Let it go, and it now so you can start. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds, scream and tear it down, shout what's this all about. We take this truth and wear it with our eyes so wide, we live the lie. Yeah, we grow to learn to shake off the monsters and run, run, run for your life. There's a mad dog on its way to ruin your mind. Do it all your own. Have fun, fun, have as much as you please. Make it fair, make it fight, bring it down to its knees. Do it all your own. So we open up the boxes with our heavy hearts and open minds,